today we have had an event where poachers who comes from communities surrounding the national park surrendered their poaching implements. They have actually come out and said they have surrendered. They are no longer going to continue killing our wildlife in the national park. For us as UA, this is a very good move by the communities who are involved in poaching, and we welcome them. We know that from today they have come out to join us in conservation. If you read the story of Saul in the Bible, Saul persecuted Christians, and later on he became actually one of those that promoted Christianity. So we think that today's event is marking the end of the guys whom I would say they were Saul in conservation, and it is marking the beginning of Paul's in conservation. And we really welcome them, and we think that this is going to boost our conservation, is going to boost tourism, because once community supports conservation, then we know that all the issues of conservation can be solved together with the communities that surround the protected areas. Poaching generally, I want to say that steals from us all. Queen Elizabeth National Park has experienced quite a number of poaching activities. If I may give statistics, every year we arrest and prosecute between 400 to 450 people who do illegal activities in protected areas. These are the ones that we arrest and prosecute. I also want to assume that probably there are those ones that come to the park and they are not arrested. So meaning that the figures are actually higher than what I have said if we are to arrest everybody. So seeing people surrendering like this one of today is a very, very good achievement for us in conservation.
Twenda netwenka ba poachers etekatekeo etinangwa ezesente ezukwiza ziri zo kuyamba abakwatana na paka netwenka bayigi netubatekateko netuzo system turuga paka abokuba abantu bitu baferiro mpaka abana bitu bali makusoma ayabakazi babenfakazi
abina mani ganyu muzeyo, but from today muzeyo echo tinkuza kubeshengereza abona misho gatunirira amacuma gatunurenya misho zaivaho nibanga ekindi umupaka twinemenya misho zikwingana. So within 2 months nituza kurondenya misho nizikira zita nizibura mugire yo mwazi 10 tanangwa nate mwaruga nabandi mitego mabagitegere yine cyari nibenda kuza kushura konka nabagenti mukoreberamu entare tubire tuzikingire kisenyi na nta mukungu kugira ngo zitekeke kugumaniza shanjara hona atsebo tugume and chief warden mukingurire entare muzisibure paka yone bentare